Digital Marketing Crash Course, Analytics and Data-Driven Marketing. Introduction. In today's digital age, data has become an invaluable resource for businesses. It holds the power to unlock insights, drive informed decision-making, and optimize marketing strategies. Analytics and data-driven marketing have emerged as crucial components in the digital marketing landscape, enabling businesses to understand their audience, measure campaign effectiveness, and deliver personalized experiences. In this crash course, we will delve into the world of analytics and data-driven marketing, exploring its importance, techniques, and real-world examples. Part 1: The Power of Analytics and Data-Driven Marketing. Analytics and data-driven marketing are transforming the way businesses operate. They provide actionable insights, enhance customer experiences, and drive business growth. Let's explore the power of analytics and data-driven marketing through some interesting stories and examples. Story: How Netflix uses data to personalize recommendations. Netflix, the popular streaming service, leverages analytics and data-driven marketing to personalize user recommendations. By analyzing user behavior, viewing history, and preferences, Netflix suggests tailored content, increasing user engagement and retention. This data-driven approach has been instrumental in shaping Netflix's success in the competitive streaming industry. Example: Amazon's recommendation engine. Amazon is renowned for its personalized product recommendations. The company analyzes customer browsing and purchase history to provide targeted recommendations. This data-driven approach has significantly contributed to Amazon's sales growth, as it helps customers discover products relevant to their interests and needs. Story: How Target predicts pregnancy. In one notable case, Target, the retail giant, used data analytics to predict customers' pregnancies. By analyzing purchasing patterns, Target's algorithms identified specific buying habits that indicated a customer's likelihood of being pregnant. This allowed Target to send targeted advertisements and coupons to expectant mothers, increasing sales and customer loyalty. Example: Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist. Spotify, the music streaming platform, uses data analytics to curate personalized playlists for its users. By analyzing listening history, user-generated playlists, and preferences, Spotify creates the Discover Weekly playlist, which introduces users to new artists and songs based on their musical taste. This data-driven approach enhances user engagement and encourages discovery. Part 2: Top 12 Analytics and Data-Driven Marketing Techniques. Now that we understand the significance of analytics and data-driven marketing, let's explore 12 powerful techniques that can drive marketing success. 1. Customer segmentation. Divide the target audience into distinct groups based on demographics, behavior, or preferences to create targeted marketing campaigns. 2. A/B testing. Conduct experiments by testing different variations of marketing elements, for example, headlines, images, call to action, to determine the most effective approach. 3. Conversion funnel analysis. Analyze the customer journey to identify bottlenecks and optimize the conversion process, improving overall sales and lead generation. 4. Predictive analytics. Use historical data and statistical modeling to predict future outcomes, such as customer behavior, sales trends, or campaign performance. 5. Social media listening. Monitor social media platforms to gain insights into customer sentiment, preferences, and brand perception, enabling proactive engagement and reputation management. 6. Web analytics. Track website traffic, user behavior, and conversions to understand visitor interactions, optimize user experience, and identify areas for improvement. 7. Marketing automation. Implement automated processes to streamline marketing activities, such as lead nurturing, email marketing, and campaign management, saving time and enhancing efficiency. 8. Customer lifetime value, CLV, analysis. Calculate the potential value of a customer over their lifetime to prioritize marketing efforts and allocate resources effectively. 9. Attribution modeling. Assign credit to marketing touchpoints that contribute to conversions, providing insights into the most impactful channels and optimizing budget allocation. 10. Sentiment analysis. Analyze customer feedback, reviews, and social media mentions to understand customer sentiment, identify trends, and address concerns promptly. 11. Personalization and behavioral targeting. Utilize data to deliver personalized experiences, such as tailored recommendations, dynamic content, and targeted advertisements. 12. Marketing dashboards and reporting. Consolidate data into intuitive dashboards and reports to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, and track marketing success. Part 3, Summary. In this crash course, we explored the world of analytics and data-driven marketing. We witnessed how analytics and data-driven approaches have revolutionized businesses, enabling personalized experiences, targeted campaigns, and informed decision-making. From personalized recommendations on Netflix to Amazon's recommendation engine, data-driven marketing has proven its effectiveness in enhancing customer experiences and driving business growth. We also discussed 12 essential techniques that businesses can leverage to optimize their marketing strategies. By employing customer segmentation, A/B testing, conversion funnel analysis, predictive analytics, social media listening, and other techniques, businesses can unlock the power of data and gain a competitive edge in the digital landscape. In conclusion, analytics and data-driven marketing are no longer optional, they are essential components of a successful marketing strategy. By harnessing the power of data, businesses can understand their audience, tailor their offerings, and drive meaningful engagement. Embracing analytics and data-driven marketing empowers businesses to navigate the digital landscape with precision and achieve sustainable growth. Poem. In the realm of digital marketing, data reigns supreme, analytics and insights, a marketer's dream. With tools and techniques, we uncover the story of customers and trends for marketing glory. Segmentation divides, creating tailored delight, A/B tests unfold, guiding us to the light. Conversion funnels, we analyze with care, to optimize the journey, and customers ensnare. Predictive analytics, a crystal ball of sorts, foretelling the future with mathematical thoughts. Social media listening, the pulse we measure, customer sentiments, we treasure and treasure. Web analytics reveal, each click and each view, a canvas of data, revealing what to do. Automation saves time, as campaigns unfold, nurturing leads, a marketer's stronghold. Customer lifetime value, a metric of worth, guiding us to customers, for nurturing their birth. Attribution modeling, credit where it's due, optimizing channels, our marketing to pursue. Sentiment analysis, emotions on display, feedback and reviews, shaping our way. Personalization soars, tailored experiences soar, engaging each customer, they keep coming back for more. Dashboards and reports, insights on display, KPIs visualized, guiding us on our way. Analytics and data driven, a marketer's creed, unlocking success, fulfilling every need. Song. Verse 1, in the realm of digital, where data flows, marketing gets a boost, and the story grows. Analytics and insights, the keys we hold, to unlock success, and stories yet untold. Chorus analytics and data driven, our guiding light, in the world of marketing, shining so bright. From segmentation to automation's embrace, we navigate the digital space with grace. Verse 2, A/B testing shows us what's right, conversion funnels lead us to the light. Predictive analytics, a glimpse of tomorrow, social media listening, no more sorrow. Chorus analytics and data driven, our guiding light, in the world of marketing, shining so bright. From personalization to dashboards so clear, we conquer the challenges, without any fear. Bridge, in the digital landscape, we find our way, with analytics and data, we seize the day. Customers are our focus, their needs we'll meet, with insights in hand, we'll make them repeat. Chorus analytics and data driven, our guiding light, in the world of marketing, shining so bright. From attribution modeling to sentiments voice, we conquer the digital world, we rejoice. Outro, so embrace the power of analytics and data, in this digital world, where marketing gets greater. With insights as our compass, We'll never go astray, analytics and data driven, leading the way. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our and Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.